This is our project for today. We gotta get these flooring mats up. We gotta do this part.
This up?
This up. Oh my goodness. Oh.
Literally.
Oh.
So cute. Ooh, satisfying. There.
Oh, look at this. Now we're gonna try to tackle this whole scenario.
Oh my. People and get on. Alright.
Cameron's making a snowman over there. I do need to get the rest of that off. I'm kind of waiting for the air compressor, but look how much better this looks. Okay, round 2. Got some stuff to move out, and then this stall. I've got this part to do. This is what my face looks like. Yuck. We had to leave. We needed a different attachment for the air compressor, I guess, or we thought, so we left, and now I have to get the kids' youth group. But that was what we did for the day. We'll be back. Maybe I'll get some videos of this weekend, the new flooring. Like, we're re-supporting the floor, adding some electrical, hopefully done this weekend, and trying to clean a bunch of dirt or poop or whatever it is off the floor. So that'll be fun.